Search engines aren't just listing websites anymore, they're making decisions. They choose which content to feature, how to display it, and even what users should see first. But have you ever wondered how they make those decisions? In this topic, we're going to look behind the curtain and learn AI overview reverse engineering, understanding how search engines, powered by AI, decide which content gets featured. What is AI overview reverse engineering? AI overview reverse engineering is about decoding how search engines, like Google's SGE, make decisions. It means analyzing which content they feature, how they structure search results, and why certain pages outrank others. The key here is to recognize that search engines are no longer just indexing keywords. They're analyzing content for quality, context, and relevance. And they do this using AI. Understanding AI's decision-making process. Search engines use advanced AI models like BERT and MUM to understand content. These models analyze user intent. What is the user actually looking for? Content context. Does the content actually answer the user's question? Content quality. Is the content accurate, detailed, and well-written? User behavior. Do users stay on the page? Do they click back to the search results? AI doesn't just see your page, it understands it. This means you can't just trick the system with keywords or backlinks. Your content needs to genuinely satisfy user intent. Analyzing AI-generated snippets and answers. One of the clearest signs of AI's impact on search is the rise of AI-generated snippets. These are answers that appear directly in search results, even before the top organic links. Google's SGE, for example, can generate complete answers using data from multiple websites. To reverse engineer this, you need to study the snippets that appear for your target keywords. What questions are being answered? How is the content formatted? Which websites are being cited? Why? Is the answer being updated in real time? By understanding which content AI selects, you can optimize your own content to be more snippet-friendly. Decoding AI's preference for user-centric content. AI is designed to prioritize content that offers value to users. This means your content should directly answer user questions, use clear headings and structured formats, be easy to understand, avoid overly complex language, offer unique insights. Don't just repeat the same information found on other sites. Be credible. Include author information, sources, and citations. If AI sees your content as helpful and trustworthy, it's more likely to feature it. Using AI tools to reverse engineer search results. You don't have to do this manually. AI tools can help you understand how search engines analyze content. So for SEO, analyzes the top-ranking pages for your target keywords and shows which factors matter most. Ahrefs or SEMrush shows which pages are appearing in featured snippets or other SERP features. IO uses AI to help you optimize content specifically for ranking in featured snippets. These tools give you a clear view of which content is being prioritized by search engines and why. Optimizing content for AI recognition. If you want your content to be chosen by AI, you need to structure it in a way that's easy for AI to understand. Use clear, question-based headings, like how to, what is, best ways to. Provide direct, accurate answers. Avoid fluff. Leverage structured data. This helps search engines understand your content better. Include authoritative sources. Citing your information can make it more credible. Focus on user satisfaction. If users click on your content and stay, it sends a strong signal to AI that your content is valuable. Let us review some practical examples. Let's say you run a travel blog. You notice that Google's SGE is generating answers for queries like best time to visit Paris. To optimize for this, you can create a dedicated section in your guide called Best Time to Visit Paris. Use clear, direct language. The best time to visit Paris is from April to June and September to November. During these months, the weather is pleasant and the city is less crowded. Use bullet points or a table to make it even easier for AI to understand. Provide a short paragraph explaining why these months are ideal. Another example, a digital marketing agency. You notice that AI-generated answers appear for how to write a great blog post. You create a guide that starts with a clear answer. To write a great blog post, start with a strong headline, use clear subheadings, write in a conversational tone, and include visuals. This clear answer is more likely to be featured in AI-generated results. Let me share some common mistakes to avoid. Here's what not to do. Don't over-optimize. If you stuff your content with too many keywords or try to force it into a specific format, it will feel unnatural and may even be ignored by AI. Another mistake, creating clickbait titles or misleading content. AI can recognize if your content doesn't deliver on the promise of the headline. So here's your big takeaway. AI Overview Reverse Engineering is all about understanding how search engines, powered by AI, choose which content to feature. By studying the content that gets selected, you can structure your own content to be a perfect fit. In the next topic, we're going to take this even further with advanced SERP analysis, learning how to break down search results to uncover hidden opportunities. Ready? Let's dive in.